Hi all, it's the crazy mob of Head Back at It. How's it been? Now I don't talk much about myself, but I thought here I'd let you know on a little secret. I work in the tech industry. Whew, so cool. Well, I thought that I'd give you three tips if you're interested in learning about software engineering, becoming one, or if you're unsure about your abilities and you want to know what you need, what it takes. Here I have it. 3 skills that you need to become a software engineer that no one tells you. 1. Can you learn on your own? First of all, there are many avenues of learning how to program, of how to become a software engineer. There's lots of resources out there, so more than any other industry that I really have ever come across so far. You just have to be able to have the discipline to go and get it. Now you could go to a boot camp, or you could get a degree in college, or you could learn on your own. That is a topic for another video. However, regardless of whether you're in college, boot camp, or on your own, you need to be able to sit down and learn it on your own, because I can assure you that whoever you're learning it from won't be able to teach you exactly what you need, the way you need it. It's all there for you. You need to go and get it yourself. 2. How skilled are you at planning? Planning is extremely important in programming, more than people realize. When they come in and they just want to code, they just want to see what could I program, what can I create, but they don't realize to create something that works competently, that gives quality and value to customers, you need to be able to plan it out, organize your thoughts, and set forth in some kind of direction. Otherwise, it's a whole mess of bugs. Trust me. In programming, we plan like crazy. Not everyone, not every job will make you run tests all the time, but many do. And even if they don't, it's a great habit to get into, because testing will relieve the many bugs that you would come across otherwise, and it will just give you a straight path towards whatever objective you're trying to go through in the cleanest, most efficient, quickest, easiest way possible. I know it might seem like why should I plan? If I know what to do, I'll just code it and go on with it. Planning might take so long. Why do I have to waste my time taking an hour to write down these steps of what to do and how to do it, when I'll just spend that hour figuring out coding. Believe me, it's much more efficient and much more effective, and it looks much better to employers when you know how to competently plan out 55 minutes of that hour, everything that you have to do well, and then spend 5 minutes just blazing through it and doing exactly what you planned. People see that, they know you know exactly what you need to do, what you need to know, and how to do it. It's very important. And the 3rd skill that you need, which is probably the most important, more important than the other 2 by a long shot, and that is, can you stay interested coding for hours on end? Can you do it without getting bored? I know it sounds simple. It sounds like not even a skill. It sounds like just, attention span. However, my experience tells me that the biggest setback for anyone who wants to learn programming or how to become a software engineer is whether they're interested in it or not. My experience in this field pretty much has told me it's not that difficult to get into. When it comes down to it, it's not so hard. You could learn everything. There are so many resources online. Everyone's telling each other what to do, how to do it, helping each other along the way. You're going to figure it out if you stick to it. There's no other way about it. It's very simple. You will learn how to do it well. The biggest setback is, are you willing to do it? And some people aren't, and some people shouldn't, because if you're not interested in it, you're going to be miserable. You have to sit down for hours on end and code and just write, type, without anything else. You have to be able to do that and not snore yourself to hell. You do that, and you're going to become a good software engineer given time. There's no other way. There's no other path. There's no failure. There's nothing. You will succeed if you are interested enough to put in the work. If you're not, then put your work towards something else. But if you are, you will do great things. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button and subscribe. Share this video to anyone who might be interested in becoming or has become a software engineer. If they're interested in the field in general, dipping their toes maybe, just share this video, let them know. And I'll see you guys next time.